Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and separate pages in Adobe Acrobat Reader in your PDF files. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded and installed, what you want to do is go ahead into the official Adobe website right here at adobe.com if you have not already. So once you've gotten open it up, you can go to the Adobe Acrobat section and download it. So once you've downloaded and installed it, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page right here, you're going to see the recommended tools for you section, which is great for beginners to take a look at what tools are at their disposal. So from here we can get started. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to get started splitting pages and editing our PDF files. So basically here we have an official article on the official Adobe website on how to go and split your PDF files. So basically guys, you're going to go and be able to do this with a PDF file that is long, and you're going to go ahead and be able to split its pages. So you can extract PDF pages, or you can reorder, replace, or delete them until your specific pages are organized exactly how you want them. You're going to be able to split PDF files and customize your files, and it's all doable with the edit PDF option right here. But as you can see, you are going to need a premium subscription to be able to edit your PDF files, and this is going to enable you to edit them however you prefer, but you're not going to be able to use this with a free version of the program. So keep in mind you need to purchase a premium subscription, after which you can get started with separating your pages. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.